Good morning, my loved ones. And when you hear this sound, you know it is Mrs. Kakafat, JBC1. And good morning to all my friends and family out there. And I want you to know I love you and I'm there for you. And this morning, I'll be taking some calls from Jamaica, some beautiful Jamaica. Because you know, Jamaica have the most beautiful island girls. Yes, man. I tell you, you see, don't worry about me. Me getting hold and the bags are hanging and they're hanging for the dear life. But I got me some dumpling here. I got me some banana, piece of yam and some saltfish and guess what? Some callaloo. Say hallelujah. Yes, man. So I'm going to take some calls from Jamaica now, people.
In the ear walk one Marlene, you have one woman then call her Miss Kakafat. And trust me, when you call her, you get good advice. Call the radio station. Yeah, call the radio station. In name Jamaica one. Hello, I'm here. Miss Kakafat. I go call her.
Banana and callaloo will never taste so nice yet.
Call her. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Is this Mrs. Kakafat?
Yes, darling. This is Miss Kakafat. Hello? Yes,
Miss
darling. I'm here.
Kakafat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm having a problem, you know, ma'am. I'm having a problem with my husband, ma'am.
What? Talk to me,
I
baby.
don't know of lately, ma'am. But me and him married around 10 years now, ma'am.
Yes, darling. Talk up, sweetheart. Talk up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Talk up, girl. Talk up. You talk like you're a virgin.
what's
Talk.
the- No, ma'am, in penis can't turn up for me, ma'am.
What the hell?
No, ma'am, no matter what me try, ma'am. The penis
Good
can't
heaven
stand up, ma'am.
salvation.
I was wondering what I could do to help the
Good heaven salvation.
Because me love my husband, you know. Me love him bad. Him plant enough yellow yam.
Lord
and
Jesus.
him plant enough cocoa.
When you hear the voice, you know Miss Kakafat.
No,
What
darling. I
darling?
tell you, Miss Kakafat, the man have a cocky pan in there is sweet. But after lately, he not turn up and he not work. The whole house feel like me just feel like brought down the house, you know, with the sledgehammer. Me feel like my mind gone disastrous. Or me can't get the same thing for work. Then you have one same thing them a do a foreign. And Miss Kakafat, me no shame to tell us me try it.
What child?
You have one thing what somebody them call a blow hog. Blow hog.
But my dear child, I never hear such thing before, my dear
No
child.
ma'am. No ma'am. Some people call it blow job. But I know I'm from the country. So I call it blow hog.
Me mama
I blow
ras.
hog my husband, ma'am.
You blow a hug your
All the
husband?
blow hog and all the blow hog. The teely wheelie just now get up, man. Help me, Mrs. Kakafat. Help me, ma'am. Help me.
Maybe God have to go help you, ma. Maybe God have to go help you on this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The way me want it, ma'am. My belly a cramp, ma'am. Me want this thing like... You ever see when dry peas want water, ma'am?
Kiss my ass, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I am going to have a nervous breakdown if this damn wood not turn up, ma. Well, you can't tell me if you help me, ma.
Child?
Me if you cook some coke,
Yes.
cold soup.
Get 3 coke.
Lord, ma. But if a cold soup me go give me, I go drink it.
Chop you up
Me
fine
go
and
drink
give
the
him.
cold cocky soup.
Chop you up fine and give him. In a nice
I
soup.
go drink it, man. Him nah go drink it. Him a them old time, old fashioned dreadlocks, man. You know, go and drink no cocky soup.
But I said when you and pussy you get him fin here. You can't
Get
get him
the
drink the
goat
soup.
penis and the sheep penis, ma'am.
Get the goat sheep.
One sheep penis.
And one goat
and one
penis.
goat penis.
And one cow
and
penis.
one beef penis.
And you
chop
cut them up.
All 3 penis together with one skunk and boil it with soup. With piece of goat head with pepper game, ma.
That me say me child. That me say me child. That's the remedy to fix the back. You
Yes,
call it
ma'am.
come back now is emergency.
Well, we go market now, you know, ma.
Go along a market, go buy and fix it back, but make sure you're trying
He
to.
gone run taxi, man, but he will soon come. And when he come, I want the same thing for work tonight.
Go now,
So
go now.
Get the tree hood them now. So make you chop up with some skilling and time and a pack of noodle. And boil up the cocky soup and get it ready because me have to chop off the body head them.
Yes, Mr. Chop off the head and make
Yes,
it fried and
ma'am.
throw to and go find out your body, man, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Chop up the head, them a
chop off the
cow
body
cat soup,
them.
them call it,
Because
chop
he
it
cannot
up.
see a cow hood or a goat hood. Soup in
As
my
much
drink.
as you can get
No,
3,
we
4,
don't
5, 6 of them, the
drink
more you get as stronger it is. Get
But
them.
that will bring back him back strong, ma'am.
Yes, man, your money now, yes. Bring back your back right now, emergency. Right now, the back
Well,
will come
God
back.
be the glory, ma'am. God be the
Yes,
glory.
God will be the glory, man.
God be the glory, ma'am.
Yes. So I
Yes,
tell you this
ma'am.
thing. That's
Yes,
the only
ma'am,
way.
me drink, ma'am. Me drink fish tea every morning.
Yes.
ma'am. I eat enough roast breadfruit and enough oil down and boiled down. My body
Because you have to
strong
make sure your body
ma'am.
drunk out when him trying to feel
So
body
drink
and
all
come to
3
you.
cocky, I should have buy 6 of them.
Buy 6 of them to Ross, 6 of them.
Oh, so the more them me put out, the more better I miss. I went buy 10 cocky.
Or 12. Go on, my
3
child.
goat cocky, 3 cow cocky, 3 chief cocky, and 1 extra. I'm going to say me get a rabbit cocky because that's if it's in the blame. In back must work now.
It will work.
Thank you, Mrs. Kakafat. And God bless
You don't have to go get the rabbit.
And
Just
when
use the
Kenya
sheep
little
and the
something,
cow
ma'am.
and the goat.
Soon as his back is up and running, ma'am. Thank you a lot.
You make sure thank me, but thank God too. Next caller.
Caller, please.
Next caller.
Hello, good morning, Mrs. Kakafat.
Ma'am, my child.
I am calling from Kingston, Jamaica, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Talk.
Yes, ma'am. I'm calling from Kingston, Jamaica. Me have some pitney and me tell her say, enough pitney me have, you know, ma'am. What heap of them, ma'am?
So what your problem
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Me know me spend some time in the bedroom and get pregnant, ma'am. But obviously I don't want to spend time now. And I feel run back at them with this work for cooking every day. Me like the internet, you know, me like the internet.
You're a worthless fucking bitch. Go take your bag of fucking pitting them. You have pitting like a cockroach. You want to sit on
So me
internet
must put
all
on the
day.
blast the thing and go cook for the pit of them.
That's what me say.
And me have one party I go later, you know, me not going to have time. Because me have to go down to Miss Gertie. Go see if she don't make me pum shots, see me. And then me for go back girl, go borrow 1 dress. And me go over Sharon, go borrow 1
You're a
dress
dirty
here.
skettle, girl.
And then me I go over Nikki.
Yeah,
go borrow 1
germs.
shoes. And then me I
Yeah,
go
we
over
are
Sandra,
people
go
draws,
borrow
girl. Yeah,
wig.
germs. Look all up my line.
And me if you come, she have some makeup and lipstick for me.
Well, take care of pitting them dirty belly, girl. You're
But when I
worthless.
put a bride with the old dirty thinking crutches. And you don't call Miss Kakafat. I can't disrespect me to me tell her what me go do. But me a dirty skittle girl. If I say me walk and borrow people
And
clothes.
that, Mr.
Man, a
Dirty
blood
girl.
clot bride. Fuck off your ugly donkey face, bitch. I can't talk about because your body don't look good, bitch.
Next
I
caller,
look at
please.
My body look good. And your bad mind can
Next
can
caller,
get
please.
artistic. That's why they call it Kakafat. I'll do a Kakafat and shit water shit to your Kakafat.
Next caller,
Woman,
please.
diaper ass, bitch. Me not call her back for no advice no more. You hear me? Me not call her back for no advice. You old diaper woman. You old false teeth, vast teeth,
Dr.
woman.
Gerald.
Me not call her back for no advice.
Multiply
Because you
roach.
this morning, I can't tell me say me a skettle.
You need to go to prison for welfare. You take money from the whole
world
city for so much. You need to go to prison for welfare. Dirty girl, come off.
Old woman. You know, see your name come off for Almanac long time.
Yes, go to Jamaica
You know,
prison.
so just waste the way over your navel, woman.
But fear your body will not tell in there.
And I tell your pussy good morning. While the clitoris, I tell your man good morning to shit in your asshole. The way your body hang down and you not come to nothing. Kakafat me not call back again. Fuck you old woman. Fuck you. You need a priest, bitch. You can't give advice to nobody. Your bride come tell me, say, me should stay home and cook for my 13 picking them. And me have no right to make government take some of my picking them. Because me a so cocky and because me a go club on the pan drugs. She bright, she fucking bright and out of order. Me not call that bitch for no advice no more. Miss Cockafat, I hope you're dead pan the radio.
Girl, if I broke your neck over Brooklyn, if ever live to come to New York. Mr. Alive, and next caller, please. I want to know what done, Gala. Next caller, please.